I have the CYCLOPS Tuff Lights, the blinkers, which can do running lights, front and back, and are incredible bright and are indestructible. I can show you that. I do a comparison with the old ones and the new ones, but these are truly amazing. I saw them at a friend's bike and I thought I really need those. So here's a video for you how it looks like on the KTM 890 Adventure 2021. I did already a little bit of preparations at the back of the bike because my old 3D printed license plate holder, I ripped it apart. I lost my plate at the last track day, so we're gonna go back to original. I have the CYCLOPS Tuff Blinker Lights. It's for the KTM 790, 890 until 2022. If you have a 23 plus, you need other lights. You can check that on their website and they will give you the required stuff for your own bike, because they did separate things for the 23 bike compared to the 22 and lower. I have a full set. We start off with the back because I'm going to install RallyTower quite soon. And since it's a lot of work at the front, I'm gonna do that later. The difference between the old one and the new one: they are slightly bigger, but the main thing is with these lights, these are indestructible. If I crash with these will not survive, definitely not. This is one of the main reasons I got these. These are indestructible. If you crash, they just do boop. They have included two different lights. This is for the back. They have a very clear manual attached with images. This comes with my bike because I have a 2021 bike. If you have a 2023, maybe this is included, maybe not. It's different for all the bikes. That is why you need to verify it on their website and be sure you have the correct kit. And then we have these, and these are for the front, but I will get back to these when we're going to install that, because we need to have this and this, and you get some nice stickers as well. And the main reason I got these for the bike, I want to be more visible at the back. If you have a single light in the front or a single light in the back, people in cars cannot really see the depth on how far you are. If you have multiple lights, that's probably why most of the adventure riders do have these other lights from CYCLOPS. I really do not like the separate lights on the 2021 model. On the 23 they are very nice under the fairings at the front, but on the 21 I'm not a big fan of it. I always said if I have an adventure bike I want adventure lights attached, because that's, yeah, I like those very much. So this is my way of adding more lights, be more visible. These lights were going to help me with that, because they have running lights, they are very bright, they are indestructible, and they have brake lights as well. So yeah, continue the build and let's see how they look on the bike. Alright, and let me try to demonstrate. Let's rip these apart. These lights are plug and play, which you can see on these cables. What they did, they applied these posy tabs at the end, and I hope it's visible. They put these two blue cables at the end, and in there, and they twist these in. And what you can do is get the end off, and there is a small point at the end. Then you have a cable. I hope this fits. It's a bit too big. So you have this cable goes in here like this. And then you have this one. You screw it on top, which results in that the little point at the end of the posi tab get drilled in the other cable, like so. So this is their plug and play system. You have the correct cable, which is very clear in here. Connect the red wires from the tough light to the white green brake wire using the supplied posi tab, which I simulated here. You can see a very little point of the tab in here. This way these are plug and play. If you order these with the posi tab, this is how it works. Very easy, very clear. Be sure to have the brand CYCLOPS facing up. And the main reason why I had this 3D printed plate, but it was much cleaner, more narrow, not very solid. So I am not sure if I'm gonna install that one again, because I do not want to lose my license plate. But this will give a very clear image of what it looks like on the 2021 model, because 90% of the owners of this bike will have this plate still attached. But this is a very big difference. I have a video of this one on my channel as well. Did a small test, which I did previously already in my ACC2 plug. Connect the blue wires. The blue is the running light. So if I turn it on, now we have the running lights. Look at that smooth migration. Now continue with the brake light. Since I'm going to use the accessory 2 plug, I'm going to squeeze this in here. It's a bit more pretty like this, a bit more solid. The blue cables go into the black and red accessory 2 plug, because the accessory 2 plugs are connected to the key. If you turn it on, the lights will go on. If you use the other ones, it will go directly to the battery without the ignition. Alrighty, for your understanding, connect the red wires from the tough light to the white green brake wire using the supplied posi tab. Okay, this one is good to know. This one is green, this one is white, and on the other side I see, if I turn it around, a green and white one. So what you need on this side is the yellow one. Put this one over the green one and twist this one in. Tight but not too tight. And now we should have a working brake light. Alrighty guys, to the test. Everything is wired up and it looks amazing. Turning it on. Use the blinkers, brake, and brake and turn. How cool is that? Alright, the next step is tape. I applied a lot of heat shrink to make it all nice and waterproof. I have all kind of different colors. Maybe I should go for black heat shrink next time. Okay, this is the end result. Under the seat
wrapped it around with tape. I only have brown and blue, but that's okay. Very clean, looks nice. This is the back. So now continue installing the tail, the rack from the back. And now a video on how bright these are compared to the old ones. Now continue to the front. I need to say already beforehand that will take 2 weeks because my RallyTower is on its way to the Netherlands and I'm not going to install these lights if the whole front is going off. Let's fast forward 2 weeks ahead. Tower! Alright, skipped 2 weeks forward and tonight we are going to install the RallyTower and the rest of the CYCLOPS ADV lights. It's that kind of evening.
We connected the CYCLOPS turn indicators. We're now doing the running lights, so we have to take the plus from the accessory 2 because that's linked to the ignition key.
I have attached the white wire to the Tuff Blinker Lights at the front and I'm going to use the Posy tab to the accessory plug, black and red. That way we have the running lights up front. Alright, and now put it to the test. Nice. They are exactly outside of the windscreen, which I really like. If you compare the Tuff lights with the original KTM LED lights, this is the difference. In combination with my new RallyTower, these are absolutely amazing. Look at this. The only thing I need to fix is this. They are too fast, and it has something to do with the US and European rules. And I have this one, the flasher relay provided by CYCLOPS. The flasher in the Europeans does have a 3-pin. I have a friend coming over later today who will fix this to a 3-pin, and then this should work and flash normally. Right guys, tested it out. If you have this flasher in Europe, I will put the part number in the description. The turn indicators will flash very fast. What you need to do is make the provided CYCLOPS flasher from a 2-pin to a 3-pin, and I will show you the diagram. I will put it in the description as well. I have forwarded this information to CYCLOPS itself, so maybe they can do something with it, but it's very easy to fix if you have these kind of connectors yourself. Let me zoom in for you. You have the plus and the L, and the plus goes all the way on the left side to the yellow and blue wire, and the L, that one, provided by CYCLOPS, the L goes into the yellow and red wire. The brown is probably for solid amber lights in the turn signals. So if we test it now, you can see they flash normally. Very smooth migration. A lot of things for you to consider when buying this kit. They probably will make something for European market as well, because CYCLOPS, they are good. I'm gonna fix this and show you the end result. Nice lights,
my new tower. I think they look very nice on this bike. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'm very happy with the results and see you in the next one.